what's up, Jerk Squad? I'm out here with Tyler from Rusty Hooks Fishing Crew, you guys. We're gonna be fishing for sharks tonight, so let's get some sharks on. I'm gonna show you guys what we're using for bait and how we're sending the bait into the water.
Vice President here at Rusty Hooks. Today we're gonna be running some big Spanish mackerel heads on 20-aught mustad hooks with a 1,200-pound cable to a 400-pound monofilament rub leader.
Tyler is a straight G. He straight goes out into the ocean in this kayak and drops the bait. Probably about, what are we going, like 400 yards out maybe?
These are shorter drops, so it'll be 300 to 400 yards.
This is dangerous business. Do not try this at home. The best of luck to Tyler. And this is not snow, that is mist from the ocean. What we do is we give him a walkie-talkie with a very long range. We talk to him and communicate the whole time that he's out in the water. So that way we know he's safe and we can communicate whenever we're gonna drop the baits and everything. I'm always trying to teach you guys new stuff. If you are going to attempt any of this ever, just make sure you be careful. This is no joke, you guys. Let's get some sharks on, dude. We're gonna go until we hook up. With that being said, like and subscribe to the channel, please. And go into the link in the description and cop some perch merch, and then I'll show you guys the rigs that we're using that we have lined up on the beach. After that, we're gonna be catching sharks. We got Chris out here, man, in the big rig.
What's up, guys?
Big Chris. Tyler is out in the water right now and he's taking out the line and he just dropped the bait. Now we take the pole and get the line set the drag, and then literally we just wait. Once one of these poles starts screaming, then you know, and everyone hops into gear and it is time to bring in a shark. Whenever Tyler goes out into the water, he takes 2 baits at a time on the kayak. We got the pole to the left of us set up. Now he goes to the right so that way the lines don't get crossed, and then now we have the second pole getting dropped. They drop the bait, then we set this one up, and we got 6 more poles down the line here. These waves aren't that strong out here today. Sometimes when you're doing this, the waves can get really strong. How was it, brother?
Good. There's a lot of blue algae out there, so as I'm going, the whole place is just lighting up with blue fish from the blue algae.
All right.
It's like a lightning storm.
This is a whole fish this time, you guys.
And right here we have some more Spanish mackerel, but it's comboed with bonita, a chunk of bonita.
Bonito and some Spanish mackerel, and you guys can see they use a zip tie to keep the bait on so it doesn't fall off out there. We're taking out 2 lines at a time. Tyler's heading back out. This will be 4 baits in the water so far. I'm out here with Tim. This is the president of Rusty Hooks Fishing Crew, you guys. Check them out on Instagram.
What's up, guys?
All right, we're doing the bait drop right now. What do you got here?
So we got the Avid 80 wide 3-speed. You can normally do the 2-speed, 3-speed, but 3-speed works really well out here. When you especially got a big fish, you can just tow them in. Right now we're running 200-pound line with 600-pound top shot mono. We're running an 800-pound rub leader to a 1,000-pound cable sitting on the bottom, nice and attached down to the ground. Hope fish comes by and eats it up and gives us a nice bite.
Tyler just reported that he's out there on the kayak and he just saw a massive great white just now, you guys.
He's going a little farther and he's going to drop.
He's out there in the kayak and he saw a huge great white next to his kayak and he keeps going out further to drop this bait. This is so epic, you guys. Tyler is a G. Make sure you guys drop a like for Tyler, dude. He's literally out there risking his life right now.
This is like dinner on a plastic plate.
He literally is, dude.
That's a good drop. Drop, drop, drop.
All right, he's about to drop, you guys.
Copy drop. He's slowing down right now. He's getting the bait unhooked from the kayak and he's throwing it over the side. It takes him a little bit to get it all straightened out and unhooked to make sure he doesn't hook himself.
Drop, 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 drop.
10-4, bait drop.
The bait is in and the great whites are out there. The great whites are protected here. We are not targeting great whites. If a great white happens to bite the line, we get it in and we see that it's a great white, we are going to practice.
No delay release. So we actually get in the water with it.
Yes, that is true.
Unhook it. We don't take time to take pictures, anything like that. Make sure it swims away.
If you leave the hook in its mouth and cut the line, it affects its eating patterns and it can also poison the shark.
All right, we got a good drop.
This is our camp that we have set up over here. We like to bring out our tents. We got the pop-up. We like to set up so we can stay warm and take a nap if we want to, if nothing's biting. We put some of our equipment around this special little sign they got over here. It says there was a shark spotting very recently. This is one of the signs that we really do want to see out here.
So we got here Fishing Syndicate rod. It's a 760 3XH, 80 to 130. We got the Makaira 80 wide. That's a 2-speed reel with the Jerry Brown hollow core braid on there. 2-speed lever, ready to roll.
All right, so what line do you got on there?
200-pound test hollow core, and then that goes to 200-pound test mono, about 100 yards of 200-pound test mono on top.
Okay, what are you using as a leader on your rig out there?
So the leader is 600-pound test mono to 800-pound test steel cable.
What?
To
800 pounds.
To a 18-odd Super Mutu circle hook.
All
we
right.
use circle hooks so that when the fish bites it, you don't gut hook them. It comes up and usually sets perfectly on the side of their mouth. If you use a J hook, they could swallow it, and then you're ripping guts out, you're killing fish, and then you just can't release them, and it's just not good.
Okay.
So we use a lot of circles here.
I was paddling and then there's a lot of blue algae out there, so everything's lighting up. And I seen a lot of blue movement back behind me. I thought it was a dolphin. They're always out here. And something swam under me. I was like, dang, that's fat. That's something big. And this great white came up right next to me and then went right back down. And I looked as he's up, and it was longer than our kayak, and I believe it's a 12-foot kayak.
Oh my
and so I
God.
stopped and I radioed up. I was like, hey, there's a massive great white out here. And I waited until I couldn't see him anymore, and I just kept going.
Oh my God, that's crazy. Well, hopefully we don't hook into it, but we'll try to get something else. Maybe a Mako or a 7-gill or
7-gill
something.
would be nice, Mako.
Yes, sir.
That's for sure.
Damn, and when you saw that shark, you just kept on paddling to get the bait out, right?
What you gotta do, they really won't mess with you. They'll come investigate, they'll come check you out, but besides that, they won't really mess with you.
All right, there you have it, guys. Tyler's out there swimming with great whites to get us hooked up tonight. So make sure you guys like, dude, this is crazy, man. Good stuff, brother. I'm glad he's back safe. All right, Tim, what do we got here, dog?
What's going on, guys? Tyler's taking out my second 80 wide. This is our Blue Line Patriot. It's a discontinued reel, but it's a badass reel to say the least. What we're taking out right now is this is 400-pound mono right here, attached to 200-pound braid. On the other line, we have a 600-pound rub leader with a 1,000-pound cable that's running about 30 feet. Sitting right on the bottom, floats up a little bit. We have a big old Spanish mackerel sitting on there, hoping a nice hungry shark's gonna come by and slap it. This rod right here is a tournament series rod. It's a 130 class to 150 class. Roller rod all the way up.
Hey guys, this is our fighting harness. This is for when we hook up to a big shark pulling a lot of drag. It gives us something to be able to sit back in. It's a Smitty's belt. We're able to put
Smitty's belt. Let's look at the back side, you guys. You got the harness. It goes around the bottom and the front. Yeah, thicker than a Snickers back here. Smitty's belt, dude. For those of you who know, Smitty's belt. That was my nickname in high school, dude.
So we just take the gimbal cover off, we set it in there. Then we take these little hooks, hook them up to the harness lugs on the reel, and we can fight the whole fight just with one hand because this is doing all the work. We're able to sit back, put some real pressure on the fish, and keep it green. This is a TIG 50 wide. It has 1,300 yards of 150-pound solid braid to 135-pound mono. And then for the rig, I'm running a bottom rig with a Spanish mackerel. At strike, I'm pushing, I'd say 30 pounds of drag, and then at full, about 45. This is my Avid 80 wide EXW. It has a 200-pound hollow core on it to 300-pound mono, running a bottom rig on this one as well. The rod is 130 to 150-pound Graphtec, 7 feet 6 inches. This one is my perfect setup. I love this setup more than anything. I run floats on it, bottom rigs. I will take this one out, probably 3/4 of the spool just gone. Leaves me 500-600 yards left.
All right, you guys, Tyler is about to explain the float rig that we're about to be using. So take it away, Tyler.
Hey guys, we have 800-pound mono. This is my rub leader on the end of it. Right now I only have 15 ounces of weight. I'm gonna be moving it up to 30 to 40 ounces of weight. Some people will use a breakaway on a rig like this, but if the shark picks it up and doesn't take it, I want to be able to leave it out there because of the bait I'm running. I don't want to have to reel it in and take it back out. It's just unnecessary work. So those are my Sputniks I'm going to be using, and right up here, this is what makes this rig. I have a swivel on here that just slides, and it'll slide all the way to the top. It's a huge float, but you'll see why when I show you the bait. This will slide all the way to the top. It'll sit on the surface. Going down, I have 1,200-pound cable. I have a shark rattle on there. It's something new that I'm trying. I want to see if it works or if it doesn't. I really don't know. So follow the 1,200-pound cable down.
There's the money right there, dog.
I have a 20-aught Mustad hook. I have a rubber band holding it in place so the hook stays like that instead of laying over getting hooked and possibly not hooking the shark. And then I have a huge bat ray here that I'm gonna be using, so.
I actually caught this bat ray from the pier so we can use it for bait. If you guys want to see that video, I'll leave the link up top.
Let's get it.
Good luck, brother. Be safe out there.
I'll be back.
He's hauling that big ray out into the ocean. Let's go, Tyler. Come get your fish, bro. There we go.
The boat's over here.
All right, get it, baby. Get it.
He's running at you.
Take my tank off.
He's running at you. All right, clicker's off now, you guys. It's time to get this in. It's running at us right now. So whenever it runs towards us, you have to straight go full gear and get all the line in. So he's definitely off now.
I think so.
Well, we got our first run of the night, you guys.
I think it cut off. Hey guys, this is my TIG 50 that I showed earlier. Just had a big run on it while I was kayaking out another bait. So I got cut off, and here's the reason why. It ended up going slack. And what happened was when it went slack, he got wrapped up in on his tail in the rub leader, and the shark's skin is like sandpaper. It'll cut through anything if there's tension on it. That's exactly what happened here.
Yeah, you can kind of see, guys, there's like splinters coming out of the line and stuff. It's like, it looks like it got rubbed off by the sandpaper.
Yeah, it just got
skin.
rubbed off, and eventually it just rubbed down enough to where it just wasn't enough to hold it anymore with the pressure we were putting on it, so.
Yep. But that's a good sign, dude. We're hooking up.
It's a good sign, and it's earlier than what I thought would happen, so.
That's right. And you guys, this happens sometimes, you know?
does.
It's part of fishing sharks, dude. Yeah, it just
Put
started.
it in free. Put it in free spool.
It just started yanking at first.
Hey, Chris, put it in free spool and put a little bit of tension on your line.
So this is number 4. Ooh. Ooh, there he goes. That's that
Just
sound.
put a little bit of tension on it. Let it take some runs. Let it sit though.
Something was nibbling it, that's for sure.
Hey,
Yeah,
I
that
think
could
it's
be a
Sevi,
fish,
bro.
man.
Where's your spotlight?
He thought he was on kelp for a second,
Right here.
but this could be a fish.
I'm telling you, bro.
I think
I'm
it-
calling a Sevi.
Yeah.
Yeah, this could be a 7 gill, you guys. This could be a fat slob out here. I'm talking a slob.
Oh yeah, he's on for sure.
Is it a fish?
Yeah.
It's a fish, baby. Let's go. All right, we're getting this one in.
Oh yeah.
We are getting this one in. All right, all right. We're working together.
You're on.
Yeah, we are on, you guys. We are on.
Rusty Hooks fishing crew right here, baby.
Yes, sir. Rusty Hooks, baby. Let's go.
Perch jerker, let's run it.
Perch Jerker live, baby. Let's rock.
Woo!
We got Jerk Squad and Rusty Hooks out here.
Making it happen.
When we work together, we're the Rusty Jerks. Yep, yeah, we are on the fish, you guys. This is not a kelp patty, I'll tell you that much.
I got a little.
All right, let's see if we can find that thing. Where is it?
Right past that break.
Yes, sir. The fish is out right past the break, you guys. You guys, this is the moment of truth. We got to get this thing in here. We got to get this up. Oh my God, you guys. Here it is, backing up. Look at this, you guys.
Keep it in the water.
Yo, get back, bring it back. Oh my God, you guys, look at this shark, dude. Look at this shark.
Oh, big wave time.
Big wave. Oh, he got it. All
That's how you
right,
hold on, baby.
we got to get this hook out. You got it, Tyler, you're good, baby. Big wave, big wave, big wave. All right, there it is, you guys. There it is. We got to get this hook out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Get the hook out, you guys. We're doing a non-delay release. Non-delay release.
There you go, Chris. Hook it on.
We got to get this hook out. Look, he's got the hook remover. Look at that.
right there.
Decent wave, decent
There
wave.
you go.
All right, hooks out, hooks
Chris,
out.
come here real quick.
There it is, you guys. All right, the shark's going back. Shark's going back, you guys.
Less than a minute in the wave.
Oh God, it's up on us.
Tyler swimming it back out, making sure
All right.
it's going out nice and strong.
Yes, sir. Keep that
Boom,
spotlight
there she
on it.
goes.
It's released.
And she's gone.
There we go. It's gone.
Not in the surf, nice and strong.
Yes,
Good.
sir. Yes.
Look at that, nothing
Yep.
flapping. She's gone.
Yep. Spotlight. We got no shark in here. The hook is
Shoreline's
removed.
clear.
We are safe, baby. Let's go. Woo! Yeah.
That's a baby.
Yeah,
white, man.
baby. Let's go. Yo. Woohoo! We did a non-delay release. We as soon as we got the shark and we got the hook out immediately, right back into the water, you guys. Yes, sir, baby. Let's go. Woo!
Rusty Hooks, first jerk.
Rusty Hooks Jerk Squad, baby. All right, you guys. Oh my God, that is so exhilarating. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have never seen a shark like that close. Oh my gosh, I gotta catch my breath. That was a baby white shark. So Yeah, it was about 6 foot long.
Yep. A little longer
Dude,
than I am.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, Tyler, you are the man, dude. The way he was wrangling that thing in the surf, crazy, dude. So, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, you guys. And we're still out here. We're still out here. We're gonna hook up again, you guys.
Hey, we'll be out here till noon, 1 o'clock tomorrow.
We're staying out. We're gonna try to get a soup fin, anything we can get, you guys. We're gonna try and get new species on the line, so. Oh my God, let's get this, you guys. Let's go. All right, Jerk Squad, thanks for tuning in. We came out here to catch sharks today, and we caught sharks today, you guys. We had so much fun. I'm out here with Chris, Tyler, and Tim from Rusty Hooks Fishing Crew. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram. Make sure you go in the link in the description and cop some perch merch, and like and subscribe to the channel. This was so much fun, you guys.
All you single ladies, come on out and hook up.
I can't believe we hooked up today, you guys. This was so much fun. Tim, where you at?
What's up, guys? Hey, if you're trying to get on your dream fish, go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Rusty Hooks and the Perch Jerker, and we'll get you out here on some dream fish. Let us know.
That's right, you guys. All right, so thanks for watching, you guys. We out here sharking now. This is beyond perch. We are beyond perch now. All right, I love you, Jerk Squad. Thanks for watching. This was so much fun. All right, peace.